Essential components of a quality management system. In every industry, quality is not just a buzzword, it's the bedrock of long-term success. A well-structured quality.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Management system, QMS, ensures that your products and services meet customer expectations and comply with relevant regulations. But what exactly goes into a quality management system? Understanding the key components can help organizations create a framework that not only ensures quality but also drives continuous improvement and customer satisfaction.
A quality management system is more than just a collection of guidelines. It's a dynamic system that integrates various aspects of an organization's operations, from process management to risk assessment. Each component of quality management system is vital in maintaining high standards and fostering an environment where quality is a top priority. When effectively implemented, a QMS becomes a powerful tool that supports the organization's goals and enhances its competitive edge. Let's break down the essential components of a quality management system and explore how they contribute to maintaining and improving quality across the board. Key components of an effective quality management system. Building a strong quality management system, QMS, requires focusing on several essential components. Here's a breakdown of the key elements that help maintain high standards, keep customers happy, and drive ongoing improvement within an organization. Quality policy and objectives. At the heart of a quality management system is the quality policy, a formal statement from management that defines the organization's commitment to quality. This policy is not just lip service, it sets the stage for everything else, outlining the quality objectives that the organization aims to achieve. These objectives should be measurable, aligned with customer needs, and reflect the company's commitment to continuous improvement. Document control. From policies and procedures to records and work instructions, document control ensures that all information is accurate, accessible, and up to date. Imagine trying to build a house with outdated blueprints, it would be a disaster. The same goes for managing quality. A robust document control system helps avoid confusion, ensures consistency, and supports compliance with standards like ISO 9001. Process management. Processes are how work gets done. In a quality management system, every process should be defined, controlled, and monitored to ensure it contributes to the overall quality goals. This covers every aspect, from the creation of the product to its distribution and all points in between. By standardizing processes, organizations can reduce variability, improve efficiency, and ensure consistent quality outcomes. Risk management. The key to risk management is to avoid being reactive and instead be proactive. A quality management system should contain a systematic method for detecting, analyzing, and eliminating risks that potentially affect quality. Whether it is a potential supplier issue, a production bottleneck, or a new regulatory requirement, managing risks effectively helps avoid surprises and keeps the organization on track to meet its quality goals. Corrective and preventive actions, CAPA. No system is perfect, and when things go wrong, it is important to have a plan in place to address them. Corrective and preventive actions, CAPA, are essential components of a quality management system that focus on identifying the root causes of problems and preventing their recurrence. CAPA is not just about fixing what's broken, it is about learning from mistakes and improving processes to avoid future issues. Internal audits. Internal audits are the checkups of a quality management system. They involve reviewing and evaluating the system to ensure that it is effective and compliant with standards. Think of it like a routine health check for your organization. Regular audits help identify areas for improvement, ensure that processes are being followed, and verify that the quality management system is functioning as intended. Training and competence. Quality does not just happen, it is driven by people. One of the most important parts of a quality management system is making sure that workers have the necessary training and competence to carry out their jobs. This includes everything from initial training to ongoing development and assessment. A well-trained workforce is more likely to follow procedures correctly, identify potential issues, and contribute to continuous improvement efforts. Customer focus. Any quality management system's ultimate objective is to meet or surpass client expectations. This entails providing high-quality goods and services in addition to consistently asking for feedback, figuring out what the needs of the client are, and making adjustments in response to that input. A customer-focused approach ensures that the organization remains competitive and builds long-term relationships with its clients. Continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is a fundamental principle of a quality management system, driving organizations to constantly evaluate and enhance their processes, products, and services. This could involve everything from incremental changes to transformative innovations. The goal is to make small gains that add up to significant improvements over time. Why is a quality management system important? A strong quality management system is more than just a set of policies and procedures. It is a strategic asset that helps organizations manage quality systematically and sustainably. By focusing on these core components, organizations can ensure that they consistently deliver high-quality products and services, meet regulatory requirements, and continuously improve their operations. If you are interested in diving deeper into quality management or want to develop your skills in this area, consider exploring the quality management courses offered by Sprintzeal. Our courses are designed to provide practical, real-world knowledge that can help you implement and maintain an effective quality management system in your organization. Learn about more benefits of QMS certification for your business in our latest article.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.